How to clear cache in Horrortale 1. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear the cache. First of all, go to the location where the app is located. Now simply tap and hold on to it. Now on the top, you can see this eye icon. Tap on this eye icon. So we are in this app settings. So this is the place where you'll be able to know about the app information. Right bottom, you can see this clear data icon. Simply tap on clear data, and here you'll be able to see the option called clear cache. So clear cache basically means removing all the temporary files. So tap on clear cache and simply tap on OK. So the app is completely refreshed now. Now if you go back, you're all set to play. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.